For the start of our South Wales trip, we find ourselves at Henrhyd Falls, scene of the Batman movie Dark Knight Rises, and this was the actual Batcave that was used in the film. Upon finding somewhere to park, some lovely daffodils here and the local sheep, down in Neath, we managed to find a nice little pub called the Angel Inn for a nice pint before doing the next day to Waterfall Country. Upon walking up the trail towards the waterfalls, we found an old tramway with old granite sets still in situ. Here we see them there. Walking up the valley, there was an old mine, which was worth a little look at. So, found an adit. Walk a little bit further. Can't see any bats up above just yet. It's really narrow here. It's really low. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, very low. Right, well, there's another adit going down that way, and then this one carries on further that way. This looks like a drainage adit that would have gone into the river. Which way next? After exploring the mine, we walk a little bit further up the valley and we see possibly another drainage adit here, and then we get to the next waterfall, as can be seen on the Google map. From the top of the falls then, we found a little pond with a little frog. Very nice little guy. We found another 3 eventually as well. On to the next path now, further down the valley and towards the left. Some beautiful little falls coming up before we actually get to the main waterfall itself. Then it was time to head to Port Talbot from Neath and Aberdare, just to try out some train spotting and some of the local ciders and ales. A final sunset on our last day, on the 9th, and reminisce about the beautiful week that we had in South Wales.